Let's go. Roll go down. On the ground. Spin over your left. Creepy crawler. Gallop. Penguin. Squat. Up. Squat. Up. Turn around. Pas de bourrée. Pas de bourrée. Bow. Step up, up. And a drum. What? Head up.
What's this? What's this? There's color everywhere. What's this? There's white things in the air. What's this? I can't believe my eyes. I must be dreaming. Wake up, Jack. This isn't fair. What's this?
What's this? What's this? There's something very wrong. What's this? There's people singing songs.
What's this? The streets are lined with little creatures laughing. Everybody seems so happy. Can I possibly love everyone? Is this? What's this?
Children building snowballs instead of building heads.
We're busy building toys and absolutely no one's there. There's frost on every window. Oh, I can't believe my eyes. And in my bones I feel the warmth that's floating
Bring the spring up.
inside. The
Brave.
signs, everywhere I go.
Square.
I never was so good before. There's simply place inside of me is filling up. I simply cannot get enough. I want to go, I want to go, I want it for my life. I've got to know, I've got to know what is this place that
Big
I
bird.
What is this?
Tower of Terror. Shock, lock, and barrel. Tower of Terror. Shock, lock, and barrel. Tower of Terror. Circle. To the right. Left. Right. Left, right, left, and squat. Down, down, up, go.
When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman.
And if you want shaking, it's something very wrong. 'Cause this may be the last time you hear a good song.
I'm the Oogie Boogie Man. And if I'm Peter Nancy and I'm not the one,
Cauldron.
I might just keep the special badge and swing and start.
6-7.
And don't you know the one thing that would make me look so nice? I wanted more Santa Claus to let him in the skies.
Pinocchio. Shake it. Get real low, get real low. Now burst it up. Hurry. Part of the red. Step up, up, over the First.